Well, welcome back to the channel, y'all. We are headed down to Alabama today to go pick up a new machine for the channel. It's not for me, it's for Josh. So we are trading his boat. Don't really talk much about his boat. He don't really have much time to even do anything with his boat anymore. But he bought a boat a couple years ago, probably like a year or two ago, and now we are headed to go trade it. I am bringing my 24-foot trailer and meeting him somewhere in Alabama. I'm not really sure, maybe like Florence or whatever. So he's already headed that way. He's got the boat on his F-250 and I got the trailer. He's gonna load the Ranger up on the trailer, and I actually just gave it away what we're going to pick up. But we got an empty trailer. We got an empty trailer, y'all. We don't leave the house much with an empty trailer. So going to pick up new machine. I'll pick y'all up whenever there's something cool, or whenever we meet up with Josh. We'll see y'all here soon. It's only about a 2-hour drive, so pick y'all back up here soon. So I hope y'all been enjoying the content, whether it's the Mudslinger video, Gregory Lake video, or some of the install videos. Hopefully y'all have been enjoying those videos. Lucky 7, shout out to Lucky 7 wearing that hat right there. They sent out a rear rack for me, and it looks mighty good, mighty good. I might even post a picture like right here or something. So we'll pick you back up here soon. Well, we are here. I don't know if these people are cool with filming, so we'll find out here in a second. If not, we'll kind of get some behind the scenes footage. So I had to throw the Matt got an Adventures hoodie on, so let's go see it. Also, we are trading the Thor boat for this NorthStar Ranger right here on 35s, 4-inch portals, long travel. We're gonna have that thing on like some 46s here real soon. Stay tuned. We'll have this thing lifted up in the air pretty soon. I think Josh is pretty happy. Video him loading it up here in a second. We're swapping the trucks around, so give me a second. Sweet Denali right there. Dude's super cool too. Josh, you need to clean your wheels, dude.
Don't look at the wheels.
Don't look at the wheels. Josh, so what are you thinking right now? Are you thinking it's a good deal?
I am. I think I'm
pretty confident.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put a lot of work into it.
Think it's
Make it more my style.
Think it's gonna hold up to some 44s or 46s or some 50s?
It'll hold up, but might not be big enough on 46s.
Yeah.
Might need to be bigger.
We'll see.
Maybe.
We'll see how it does in muddy bottoms.
Yeah.
Let's get it snorkeled first.
Try to.
What are you thinking? She's all thumbs up. She's all smiles, so. Okay, you're good. So we're over here with Jackson. How are you feeling about the Thor boat versus the NorthStar? I know you said you loved it. You put the long travel on it and whatnot.
Yeah, we did everything besides when I bought it. It had portals. It was stock completely. I don't know, something different. It's been good to me. I love it. And
you found it for about 2 years or so?
Yeah, 2.5 years. We rode it a bunch. We put some miles on it.
They put the custom seats in there. That's pretty freaking sweet.
Had to change it up with the gear grabber in there, and I don't know. We're looking to beat the banks down this summer. Right?
Definitely a different. Like I'm gonna show them the interior here in a second. Definitely a different look on the interior. I've never seen a cab Ranger with bucket seats in it, so that's pretty cool that y'all did that. Well, we much appreciate y'all, Jackson.
Yes,
good to meet y'all. Good to meet y'all, man. Y'all have safe travels back to Alabama. Well, we're in Alabama.
Yeah, just farther, way east.
2 hours or so.
Yeah. East.
So we're about 2 hours away. So good to meet y'all. Thank y'all so much for making this happen. We loaded the brand new NorthStar. Well, new to us NorthStar. I wanted to show you all these bucket seats and the gear shifter. So it's got like a turbo. I think it's like a turbo. What do you say, a turbo S or? The gear shifter, isn't it something like a turbo?
It's a turbo S linkage on it.
Linkage. So they converted it from the pawpaw style to like a razor style, but park is all the way back like a Polaris Sportsman. These captain seats, bucket seats, are freaking awesome, not gonna lie. Love that. And then you still have the regular bench seat in the back, so you sit really low. You got a good view out there. I actually like the machine. I mean, I like it. I'm kind of jealous that you got an AC now. Got the AC, got the heat and AC. Got all these vents. Got your big old 8,000-pound winch on the front. I'll give y'all a quick little walk around here in a second. All right, give y'all a quick little walk around. They're leaving with the boat, so the trade is officially over with. Give y'all a little walk around right here. It's got the rear rough country shocks on there. It's got the turbo front shocks on there. Josh, how do you feel to be a new crew cab owner?
You know, it hasn't really hit me yet.
Yeah?
I won't have it probably about a week. But it does make me sad seeing my boat go away.
Yeah. Maybe you can get some footage later as you go ride.
Yeah.
It is definitely wide. It's overhanging a little bit. When I loaded it up, I cut this way some, so bye boat that I never even rode on. Got a huge 8,000 pound winch, 4-inch portals, super ATV, long travel kit, and then it's got the rack boss, and then it's got a upgraded steering, power steering. So, and the AC works great, and the heat works great too as well. So it's got a bunch of rock lights on it. Got some light whips. It's got a bed, of course. Basically all your regular things. What you think?
Nice.
Definitely you're gonna have to, you should just let me take it home and detail it, and it would look like a totally brand new machine by the time you got it.
Go ride it, that's the thing. It's not
Yeah,
dirty
well it's still,
for 3
you know,
hours.
it'd still look a lot better is what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
just don't bury it to the frame. Just don't bury it to the frame.
No, this thing ain't seeing no mud.
You're going to ride a lake bottom and you're not going to hit mud. Okay.
No, I'm not. All
Okay.
sand. No mud.
Okay.
No
We'll take it. Back in Tennessee. What's up, y'all? We're over here at Muddy Bottoms once again. It's technically day 3, but day 2 of riding. We got here Thursday. Josh unloaded Sandra last night, and he's got his brand new build, as y'all have already probably seen in the video. If not, go back and watch the video where we traded his boat for this 2022 NorthStar Ranger crew cab. He already put the 6-inch portals off the Talon, so the Talon is going small. So we're about to probably put like 35s, maybe his 4-inch boxes that came on this long travel, 8,000 pound winch, 6-inch portals, 44-inch Outlaw 3s off of his Talon, which was originally on mine.